Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Well, take a look at this 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LS in Nightfall Gray Metallic. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, a shark fin antenna, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 22,000 miles on the odometer, a 7-inch touchscreen display, a rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, all powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6391A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.